Hi folks, Mark Gilbo here, and I'm going to show you today the rear park assist in this guy. This is the 2011 Grand Cherokee. This is a limited model. You can see the interior is really pretty, and I'll just get a view all around us. Okay, and you can see the panoramic view, the new moonroof that is gorgeous. But what I'm going to show you is just a rear backup camera, and this also has rear park assist. That's what this button is here. Okay, it's a P with some waves in front of it. Okay, it looks like a sailboat to me, but it's a P for rear park assist. But this, for instance, if I want to back up, in the old days, you may have had a hard time backing up. You know, a lot of, as you get older, you just, I'm getting older here too, and myself, is that it's getting harder for me to turn my neck and look around, because as you get older, you just get stiffer by nature. And for instance, if I want to back up, what's beautiful about this, I can hit the reverse button, which I just put in reverse, and here's my display of what's behind me. Now we're in the snow belt, as you can see all the snow behind me. But one thing I love about the 2011 model version of this rear backup camera is that they now have lines to tell you the size of your car, which I love. And that's awesome. Because in the old cameras, you just had this without the lines. You had no clue how wide your car was going to be in the picture. The new one now comes with the lines. Great idea. Whoever put them on there, hallelujah to them. But not only that, this is the rear park assist system. When I put that in reverse, I have my rear park, I have my camera on, and then I have my rear park, which pops up here. Now, for instance, I can go backwards a little bit, make sure no one's behind me, okay? And it just warned me here, it says warning object detected. So as you can see, I'm about probably 4 feet away, probably actually about 3.5 looking out the back window of my building. And it tells me that I have an object behind me, and there's a line on this side of the car, there's a line on that side of the car. That means there's an object completely behind my vehicle. Now, one thing about this car, since there's two sensors in the back bumper, two sides to the bumper, if there's an object just to the left side of my car, only this side would light up. So I would know that the object is on my left side. So this is the rear park assist. I want to make it as simple as possible. All I have to do is put it in park, and I'll go back to my radio, my settings, and I'm golden. Now, if you want to tow a trailer, there's a park button here. All I do is press it, okay? And it says rear park system off on my EVIC display, but this light will come on. Now, there's going to be times where you're going to want that off. Sometimes here in New York, the ice gets really bad in your car. If you don't clean your car off good enough, this can detect ice and it can go off. Another thing you're going to want to turn this off with is towing a trailer. And even though this is off, it still does not affect, okay, it won't affect your backup. So you still have the camera, but you just won't have the sensor on your display, on your EVIC display, okay? But you do want to turn that off if you're towing something, because when you go to back up, it's just going to drive you nuts backing up, because it just senses your trailer or your boat that's behind you. Anyways, this is the 2011 Grand Cherokee, and this is the rear park assist and the backup camera and the EVIC display that it shows you what you're going to hit if you don't stop. Anyways, Mark Gilbo, Park K Chrysler Jeep, PAR-K.com. Come see us.